Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Oracle review. Today we have something a little exciting. This is the Halloween Oracle by Stacey DeMarco, lifting the veil between the worlds every night. So keeping with our Halloween theme, Halloween season, I thought, let's take a look at this. So Stacey DeMarco actually did the Queen of the Moon Oracle as well. So I have a video on that. If you want to check that out, I'll put a link or a card, whatever that is, up at the right-hand corner. And this is published by Blue Angel. It's also sold on llewellyn.com. Again, I'll link everything in the description box below where to get it. So basically this is Halloween themed Oracle, and you can use it basically anytime, any season. If you love Halloween, I think we are going to be on the same track with loving this. So I can already tell you the packaging is fantastic. The embossing, if you can see with that glare there, we've got some brooms, some ghosts, some pumpkins, cauldrons, I think I see. Yep. So already love it. So my concern is this going to be creepy and scary, or is this just going to be like a fun kind of thing? So it opens up and we have a little tissue. How sweet to keep all of that from sticking together. Cute, thick guidebook. All right. I just want to see if I can find the illustrator because I couldn't find it. Artwork by Jimmy Manton. So looks like this was copyrighted in 2014. This printing was in 2019. So this has been around. Yeah, you get some spreads, and then you can, there's a dedication for your cards, and then it goes into what each of the cards mean. It looks like there's a lot of info too, which was the same for the Queen of the Moon Oracle. I really do love that Oracle deck so much, so I'm hoping that I'm gonna love this. All right. Let's dive into the cards because that is what we really care about. So look at the back. Oh my gosh. I love it. Super cute. All right. So flipping through, I think this is alphabetical order. They usually are. So seeing that there's no numbers on here, I'm assuming it's alphabetical in the guidebook. So if you are looking up your information in the guidebook, just make sure you follow the alphabet and you'll be fine. There are, how many cards did this say? I think it's like 40. I think they're 36 cards. So it's not a lot to flip through to find. I'm not bothered by that. So also from the look of these, it looks like beginners are perfectly fine having this card deck because there is literally a little saying underneath, so that you can use your intuition and it be completely fine. You don't have to keep flipping through the guidebook with these, which is great. There are borders if that's something that bothers you. They aren't too bad because the picture's pretty full on the card, and it is a wider Oracle card, like standard kind of to me. So I like it so far. Thin, but not too thin. It definitely feels like the Queen of the Moon to me. I like it. So let's just quickly go through. There is a gloss, but it's not too terrible. Super cute. They seem like they have a little stick to it, but I think that will go away. They usually do. It's after you shuffle them a bit. That's adorable. It's like creepy adorable. Okay, so far not terribly creepy. Oh, I love it. Wonderful. Who is ready for Halloween? Leave me a comment and let me know. Like, is it one of your favorite holidays? Is it one of your favorite seasons? I said in another video, like I start Halloween in August and it goes until like mid-November. Like right after Thanksgiving is when I start putting Christmas stuff up. So I love the messages here. It's very, very, very on theme with Halloween. Okay. Oh, I love these so much. The art is very, very beautiful. So there's not a lot of cards. I believe this retails for $22.95. I purchased this on Amazon, and I know you can purchase it through llewellyn.com, and I'll link all of it down below. I'm sure you can purchase it on Barnes & Noble. Very cool. All right. So let's see how it shuffles. Let's do a little side shuffle here. If it's anything like Queen of the Moon, it's going to shuffle really well. Yep. I love it. Yay. I'm going to have to use this with the Halloween tarot. I'm getting some ideas. Ooh, flexible. Yeah, it's flexible, but I don't feel like I'm going to break it. I'm pretty gentle with my cards anyway, so I feel like once you get over that little stickiness, see, it kind of has some resistance a little bit because it's because of the gloss. So once you kind of get your fingerprints all over it and maneuver a little bit, it'll be a less sticky. Yeah, shuffles great. Shuffles this way great. Like I said, it's just that little bit of gloss that kind of forms that resistant barrier on the cards, but once you maneuver it a lot and play with it, it'll break that up a bit. So yeah, I think $22 or $22.95, however much it was, wherever you get it. I think it's a great price for the deck because you do get a lot of info. The quality is great. I mean, it's not necessarily a novelty, but I feel like it can be. I am the type of person that would use this all year round, so the price doesn't bother me. It's a pretty average price for an oracle deck. The guidebook seems like it has a lot of information in here, and even has like a little poem. So risk and reward here. Yeah, it's absolutely adorable. And you do get some spreads. So if that's something that you look forward to in your guidebooks, there's 2. And it gives you, like, everything's here. There's even like a cute little history of trick or treat, Halloween. And yeah, I can't complain about it. Even the book is embossed with that little glossiness like the cover. I mean, I can't complain. I can't complain. The box quality is really, really good. It's thick. It's not going to get destroyed by you handling it or taking it anywhere. The cards fit perfectly with the book in there. So, I mean, it's thin enough where you can just take it where you need to take it. I think this would make a great gift to your fellow Halloween enthusiasts if they're into tarot or oracle decks. I think this would make a great gift because it's something that you don't see very often. Usually Halloween stuff comes around this time of year, like is available at this time of year. And it's something that people like blink and they miss. So if you're looking for a birthday gift for someone who has a birthday around this time of year, perfect. I'm really impressed with Stacey DeMarco. I really am. I feel like she puts out quality work and quality information. So I am definitely going to recommend this to you guys. And if this is something that you're interested in, I'll link everything in the description box below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think in the comments. Did this freak you out? Was this a little too creepy for you? Is this something that you're thinking about purchasing? And also let me know in the comments if there's an oracle deck or a tarot deck that you really want me to unbox and look at and review for you. I'm more than happy to do that. I know that there's a lot of new ones coming out. So let me know if there's something you've been eyeballing and you're just unsure about and you would like to see it reviewed. That's the whole reason I do this. So you guys can get a feel for the deck and feel whether or not you want to spend your money on it. Basically, that's the whole point of these reviews. So let me know in the comments if there's one or anything you like to see. Let me know. I'm totally open, as well as whether or not you like this. And if this has helped you, give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so because I have a lot more coming. I'm so excited to share many, many, many things with you guys. And we would love to have you here. So this is a small channel, but I have a feeling it's growing, growing, growing by the looks of things. So let me know. And yeah, if you have not hit that notification bell, go ahead and do so because I don't have a set upload schedule yet. So this way, when you hit that notification bell, it keeps you in the loop and you'll never miss a video from me. So thank you guys so much. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for, if this is your first visit, thank you for watching. Yeah, I really appreciate it. And I love seeing your comments. I love seeing, you know, how this has helped you. And I'm so appreciative. And I know I'm rambling, but you know, I've had my coffee, so the caffeine is coursing right now. So anyway, guys, thanks so much. And you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day and your week. I'll see you next time. Bye.